Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to have another puzzle and we're going to solve them. This puzzle looks a little bit hard, but I think we can do this together. And let's see what picture we're going to have at the end. As you guys can tell, these are the characters in Paw Patrol show. We can see Rubble. This looks like Marshall. And this is Sky. Let's see what else we have. This is Zuma. And this looks like Jace. And I think this is Ryder with his spiky hair. Alright, let's put all the characters together, okay? Here is Rocky's body. Where's Rocky? We need to find Rocky, guys. Rocky. Here's Rocky's head. Let's put them together. Good. And now let's find Rocky's body. Let's try this one. Cool. Look at that. Here we have Rocky. And Rubble is next to him. So let's find Rubble's head. Cool. Next. Who do you think this is? I think this is Jace. It looks like his head because it's blue. And this is Jace's body. Let's put them together and we'll see. Oh, cool, right? Here we have his body. And this is Jace's head. Let's put it right here. Good, it fit right in. Next. This is Ryder's arm. And this is Ryder's head. Let's put it over here. Oh, this is not going to fit. So I'm going to put it right there because it's a head. Okay, now let's find his body. Oh, look guys, this is his face. Let's try put it right here. Great, it fit right in. Let's try this. There you go. Now we're missing his body. Where do you think it is? Oh, his body is right here. Great. Next, we have... Who do we have next? We're not very clear about this. Let's try different people. Let's try putting Zuma right here. Oh, no, it's not going to fit. Let's try putting Sky right here. It looks very weird, right? It doesn't look like she's going to be here. Let's try putting Marshall in here. Oh cool, it fit right in, guys. Great, now we have Marshall's head. Let's find his body. His body is right here. There you go, this is Marshall. And this is orange, and Zuma has orange on his body. Let's try putting it right here. Great. That's Zuma. And we're still missing his weapon. Let's put it over here and see if it's gonna fit. Great. Now we have Rocky, Rubble, Jace, Ryder, Marshall, and Zuma. We're missing Sky. Sky usually flies, right? So she needs to be in the sky. So let's put her over here. Oh, look, it fit right in. Great. Very nice. Now we have the rest of these pieces. Let's try putting them together to see what message we have. Oh, we have the word paw. And I think this is going to be patrol. Let's try this. Yes, that's Paw Patrol, but it's missing the letter L. So let's find the letter L, guys. Here it is. Paw Patrol. This is. Let's try this one. Nope, it's not going to fit. Let's try this one. Oh, great. It's fit right in. Is on a. Let's try this one. Great, yes. Paw Patrol is on the roll. Now let's put all the pieces together. Cool. Now we only have 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces left. Let's see if we can finish this. This is a sky. Let's put it right here. No, it's not gonna fit. What about here? No. What about here? Huh. Where do you think it's gonna go? Oh. What about the corner? Great. What about this? Let's try it right here. Or is it this way? No. What about this? This is tricky, right? Oh, look! I was totally wrong. We can fit this right in. Great! Now we have this piece. Let's try. Good! And this is our last piece, and it's going to be in the corner. Great! Wow, so we have the Paw Patrol picture. We have Sky, Rocky, Rubble, Jace, Ryder, Marshall, and Zuma. And on the bottom we have Paw Patrol is on a roll. Yay! Good job, guys! Thank you guys so much for helping me. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!